For this, you will need any hook, any yarn, elastic scrunchies, scissors, and if you are making a 3D heart, you're going to need polyfill and a tapestry needle. You want to begin with a slip knot, then chaining 3, then you're going to put 31 double crochets around the scrunchie. Then we're going to slip knot in the second chain in the beginning, then chain 1. Moving on to the next row, we're going to single crochet in the first stitch there, then half double crochet, 1 treble crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then to create the heart point, we're going to double crochet in 1 stitch, treble crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch. We're just going to repeat for the other side with 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1 treble crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then we're going to half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch in the chain 1 from the beginning, then chain 1 to move on to the next round. Moving on, we're going to half double crochet, then in the next stitch place 2 double crochets, then in the next stitch place 2 treble crochets in the next 4 stitches, then place 2 half double crochets in the next 4 stitches. Then we want to place 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches, 2 double crochets in the treble crochet from the previous round, then 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then we're repeating again with 2 half double crochet in 4 stitches, 2 treble crochet in the next 4 stitches, 2 double crochet in the first stitch and 1 stitch, then half double crochet, slip stitch into the chain 1, then chain 1 to finish the last round. For this last round, we're going to place 2 single crochet in the next 12 stitches, then 1 single crochet in the next 13 stitches, then 2 double crochets in the last double crochet increase from the previous round, 13 single crochets, then 2 single crochets again in the next 12 stitches. Then we're going to slip stitch and fasten off if you're done with the 2D version, but if you are moving on to the 3D version, don't fasten off. Starting with the heart puff, we're going to single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. Then we're going to chain 1, then place and turn your work, then place 6 half double crochets, then 1 decrease, and then half double crochet all around, then decrease in the 7th and 8th last stitch on the other side, so you can count 6 stitches from the ending and decrease in those 2 stitches, then place 6 more half double crochets, chain 1, then turn your work. Then we move on to 1 double crochet, 1 decrease all around, then you're going to chain 1, turn your work. Moving forward, we place 1 double crochet in each stitch around, chain 1, then turn. For our last row, we're going to place 1 double crochet, 1 decrease all around. Then we're just going to fasten off, leaving a long tail to sew up at the end. To sew up, you don't want to sew too close to elastic because then the elastic won't stretch far enough. We're already restricting it, but you want to sew around, not too close, and fill as you go. Lastly, to close up, I just weave it back and forth like you're closing up a amigurumi or closing up a circle to finish it off. Here is the final product. A couple of them I've made, and you can see the first one I made if you can tell the difference.